Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn about compound words for sequence. Let us begin our lesson with some example sentences. The guests arrived one at a time. Isa-isang dumating ang mga bisita. The, ang, guests, mga bisita. Arrived, dumating. And how did they arrive? In what sequence did they arrive? One at a time. Isa-isa. That is better than arriving all at once. Mas mabuti yun kaysa dumating ng sabay-sabay. That is yun. Better, mas mabuti. Than, kaysa, arriving, dumating, and the sequence is all at once, sabay-sabay. The manner in which the guests arrive or the sequence in which they arrive can be one at a time or all at once, isa-isa or sabay-sabay. We are learning compound words of sequence, mga salita ng pagkakasunod-sunod. Words, mga salita. Of, ng. Sequence, pagkakasunod-sunod. Here are our words. One at a time, isa-isa. So, isa is one. We doubled it to make the compound word isa-isa to mean one at a time. Two at a time. Dala, dalawa. So notice, dalawa has 3 syllables, but we only repeat the first 2 syllables. Dala, dalawa. 3 at a time. Tatlo, tatlo. 4 at a time. Apat, apat. 5 at a time. Lima, lima. And so on. You can use it for the rest of the numbers and apply the rule that we only double the first 2 syllables. Let us look at some more sentences. I ran up the stairs 2 steps at a time. Tumakbo ako pataas sa hagdan ng dala-dalawang hakbang. I, ako. Ran, tumakbo. Up or upwards, pataas. Stairs, hagdan. 2 at a time. Dala, dalawang. Steps, hakbang. Why were you in a rush? Bakit ka nagmamadali? Why? Bakit? You, ka? In a rush, nagmamadali. So let us look at bigger numbers. For example, 10 at a time, 10, 10. 20 at a time, dala, 20. 50 at a time, 5, 50. And what about hundreds at a time? Daan, daan. And thousands at a time, libo, libo. Let us look at some more example sentences. This oven is small. You can only bake 8 muffins at a time. Maliit ang oven na ito. Pwede ka lang mag-bake ng 8 muffin. This oven, ang oven na ito. Small, maliit. You, ka. Can, pwede. Only, lang. And bake is mag-bake. 8 at a time. 8 muffin. The other oven can do 20 at a time. Yung isang oven, kaya ang 20. The other oven, yung isang oven. Can do, kaya. And 20 at a time, 20. So far, we have seen that if we double the Filipino words for numbers, we form a compound word of sequence. But beyond the numbers, we have more compound words like all together or all at once, sabay-sabay, one after another, sunod-sunod, close together or packed together, dikit-dikit, and separately, hiwa-hiwalay. To each his own, kanya-kanya. Now let us use those words in sentences. My bills came one after another. Sunod-sunod na dumating ang mga bayarin ko. My ko. Bills, mga bayarin. Came, dumating. And one after another, sunod-sunod. I hope you don't have to pay them all at once. Sana hindi mo sila kailangang bayaran ng sabay-sabay. I hope is sana. You, mo. Don't, hindi. Have to pay, kailangang bayaran. Them, sila. All at once, sabay-sabay. Let us look at some more examples. Houses in Manila are packed close together. Dikit-dikit ang mga bahay sa Maynila. Houses, mga bahay. In, sa. Manila is Maynila. Packed close together. The manner in which they were built or the manner in which they come is dikit-dikit. So it's not so much a compound word for sequence in this context, but a compound word for the manner in which the houses are built. But here is another example. Even the traffic is also bumper to bumper. Pati ang traffic, dikit-dikit din. Even, pati, the, ang, traffic, also, din. And how does the traffic come? How does it look? It's bumper to bumper, dikit-dikit. And also, how does the traffic move? In what sequence does it move? Oh, it's still bumper to bumper, dikit-dikit. Here is our last set of examples. We traveled separately. Hiwa-hiwalay kaming nagbiyahe. We, kami. Traveled, nagbiyahe. And the manner in which they traveled, as well as the order that they traveled, is separately, hiwa-hiwalay. So, in this sentence, we can use hiwa-hiwalay both as the manner in which they traveled, but also the order or sequence in which they traveled. We each have our own itinerary. May kanya-kanya kaming itinerarya. Each our own, kanya-kanya. And have is my. Itinerary, itinerarya. So, an itinerary is an organized plan or a schedule for a journey. the sequence in which the plans in the journey will be done. And in this case, our compound word for that sequence is each our own, kanya-kanya. That is our lesson on compound words for sequence. We will learn more compound words in future lessons. Meanwhile, here are some sentences to translate. My dreams came true one after another. The packages arrived one at a time. We each paid our own dinner. Have fun translating this in Filipino using the new words that we have learned. Have a good day! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!